Hello friends, I am super excited about today because we are going to do a social studies lesson together. We're going to learn about some fun things and I'm so excited for you to be with me today. So I know that last time I had said this, but just in case you forgot, we're still going to be learning and talking about the same information that's in your textbook, except I'm just going to be using a different book. But if you want to learn more after, you are more than welcome to read your textbook. Okay, friends, so before we start, we need two things. Do you know what they are? You are right. We need a pencil and a notebook or a piece of paper. So go ahead and pause this video while you go and get your things. Alright friends, now that you're back, we are going to do some vocabulary before we start. This lesson has 4 vocabulary words. Now, the first one is this one. Do you know what it says? Alright, let's spell it together. B-U-I-L-D-E-R-S. Do you know what this says? This word says builders. Do you know what a builder is? A builder, well, let's see. Do you know what build means? To build something means to make something. So I think builders means that it is someone who makes something. So I'm going to write someone who makes something. Okay, friends, let's move on to our second vocabulary word. Do you know what this says? All right, let's spell it together. S-H-E-L-T-E-R-S. Do you know what this says? This word says shelters. Do you know what shelters means? When I think of the word shelter, I think about when it's raining outside, and if I get stuck in the rain, I'm looking for someplace safe to go that can protect me from the rain. And that is called a shelter. I'm looking for a shelter. So I'm going to put a place that protects me and is safe. Okay, let's move on to our third vocabulary word. Do you know what this word says? All right, let's spell it together. F-R-A-M-E-S. Do you know what this word is? This word says frames. Do you know what a frame is? I know that a frame of something is the inside of something. So it's the first thing that a builder builds. So I'm going to put that it is part of a building. Okay, now let's move on to our fourth vocabulary word. Let's spell it together. S-H-I-N-G-L-E-S. Do you know what this word says? This word says shingles. Have you ever heard of that word before? So I know that on some roofs you can find shingles. So I'm going to put that it is a part of a roof. Okay, friends, can we say our 4 vocabulary words together? Number 1, we have builders. Number 2, we have shelters. Number 3, we have frames. And number 4, we have shingles. So if you want to take a minute and pause this video to write down our vocabulary words and the definitions that we came up together, go ahead and pause this video. Alright friends, we are back and we are going to get started on reading our book together. So the name of this book is Homes, Past and Present. And here's a little bit about what this book is going to be about. From candlelit cottages to electricity-filled houses. This book compares and contrasts homes of the past to homes of the present. So, what do you think this book is going to be about? I think in this book we are going to read about houses and homes that and what they used to look like and how they used to be built a long time ago, and also how homes and houses are built today in the present. But let's start reading and see, and be on the lookout for our 4 vocabulary words. Okay, let's begin. Homes through history. Homes are where we live. They have changed through history. Long ago, many people used logs to build a house. Others wrapped animal skins around a wooden frame. This looks like a really cool house. Have you ever been in a house that was built of logs? I haven't. Alright, let's continue. These days, homes are made of many things, but the frame is usually wood. Shingles cover the roof. I see 2 vocabulary words on this page. What are they? I see frame and I see shingles. And then this question says, why do you think homes have shingles? So friends, why do you think that homes have shingles? I think that homes have shingles because maybe it can help to keep the roof really strong and to keep out the rain and the snow and the wind. People used to make their own homes. It was lots of work. And I see these 3 people working on what looks like a part of their house. Alright, now builders make most homes. Builders make homes for others as a job. I see a vocabulary word. What vocabulary word is on this page? Builders. Homes did not have running water before 1900. A pail held water from a well or a stream. People washed with it. What would your life be like without running water? If I didn't have running water, It would be really hard to brush my teeth. It would be really hard to take a shower. It would be really hard to do my laundry. It would be really hard to clean the dishes. All right, let's continue. Today, homes have showers. Water can be made hot or cold. Many people lit their homes with candles or gas lamps. Today, light bulbs light homes. How have light bulbs changed homes? I think that light bulbs have changed homes because instead of having to use a candle, they don't need to worry about maybe the fire going out, and then they wouldn't be able to see, and it also could be a little bit chilly in the house if they use the fire from the candle as warmth or heat. Homes have changed a lot. They have always given shelter. What kind of home do you live in? But before you answer that, I see a vocabulary word. What vocabulary word is on this page? Shelter. All right, now friends, what kind of home do you live in? I live in a house, and my house is right near the beach. I can walk to the beach every day. I just live 2 small blocks away from the beach. Ooh. All right, we are all done reading, but there's this last page that says then and now. So I'm first going to read the then column. So then. Many homes were made of logs. People built their own homes. Homes did not have running water. And now I'm going to read the today column. Today, homes are made of many materials. Builders build homes. Homes have water for drinking and bathing. That's pretty cool to learn. Oh, and here are the 4 vocabulary words. All right, so let's see if our definitions were correct. We have builders, people who build homes for other people as a job. You got that one right. Frame, the part of a building that holds everything together. We got that one right. Shelter, safety or protection. We got that one right. Shingles, patches used to cover the roof of a building. And we got that one right also. All right, friends, it was so nice reading this chapter with you today, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Bye, friends.